This is my funnel, my favorite funnel, the turbo funnel. I love my funnel, but I need a big one. So I resized my funnel. I might have got carried away. It's done. The original. And it's Big Brother. Yeah, I might have got carried away there. So, yeah. Before any haters come at me, that funnel cost me about $3 in plastic. I used my ultra cheap, super discounted PETG for that project. Yeah. So the funnel turned out pretty good. It has a small layer shift there, but it doesn't seem to affect it. Seems like it's still going to work. I did print this out of PETG also. Be a little bit more chemical resistant than old PLA. Yeah, with that layer shift there. I don't think I need to reprint it. Yeah, I might need to print something a little bit smaller, something in between that and that. If you'd like to print a normal and or oversized version of my favorite funnel, the turbo funnel, you can find it on thingiverse.com, $492.5561.